Welcome to JH. BG Wealth Sharing sounds incredibly impressive, doesn't it? They market themselves as a sophisticated financial platform, even claiming to be the world's largest hedge fund using advanced blockchain and digital currency strategies. Because nothing says trustworthy like a bunch of high-tech buzzwords thrown into a blender. But here's the real question. Is BG Wealth Sharing actually legit, or just another Ponzi scheme? Stick with me, and we will peel back the curtain on this digital masterpiece. The first major red flag is the total lack of transparency. The company refuses to disclose who actually runs the show, and the only name on their website is a Professor Stephen Beard. After a bit of digging, it turns out the good professor doesn't even exist outside of their own site. I suppose he's too busy being a figment of their imagination to actually manage your portfolio. Then there is their fake history. They claim to have been founded in 2018, but in reality, they've been around for less than a year. Their websites are privately registered and constantly changing, all while funneling victims into the DSJ exchange, yet another platform already flagged for fraud. It's like moving your money from a sinking ship onto a slightly smaller, more on-fire ship. Their corporate setup is equally hilarious. They claim to be SEC registered, but they are actually just a Colorado shell company created in April 2025 by a fake accounting firm that doesn't exist. As for their prestigious global headquarters, it's just a rented mailbox at a postnet. I'm sure the guy behind the counter is a real wizard with hedge funds. Authorities are already catching on, too. In May 2025, the UK's Financial Conduct Authority issued a securities fraud warning against both BG Wealth Sharing and DSJ Exchange. When the regulators start using the word scam, it's usually a hint that you aren't looking at the next big investment opportunity. The business model itself is a textbook Ponzi scheme. There are no real products or services. They just want you to invest USDT, promise an impossible 2.6% daily return, and pressure you to recruit your friends. They try to look official by filing as an exempt reporting advisor, but that doesn't magically make them legal. Under the Howey test, this is clearly an unregistered and illegal securities offering. So, is BG Wealth Sharing legit? Not even close. It's a house of cards built on fake executives and shell companies that will inevitably collapse, leaving investors with nothing but a hard lesson. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe, and try not to get fooled by people whose office is a cardboard box in a mailing center.